James I of England was born in Edinburgh, the only son of Mary, Queen of Scots, crowned King of Scotland as James VI in infancy. He later inherited the English throne in 1603, uniting England and Scotland under one monarch for the first time. James was a learned monarch who patronized the arts and sciences and authorized the translation of the Bible, known as the King James Version. His reign saw tensions with Parliament and conspiracies, including the famous gunpowder plot. "I am answerable to God, not to man," he declared. Despite challenges, he strengthened the idea of a united British monarchy, leaving a legacy that shaped the political and religious landscape of the Isles for centuries. Olympia Mancini, niece of Cardinal Mazarin, was born in Rome. After marrying the Count of Soissons, she found herself at the heart of the French court and quickly became famous as one of the charming Mazarinettes. Her wit and political insight brought her close to Louis XIV, but ambition led her into intrigues, including the notorious affair of the poisons. "The court is a chessboard where only those who foresee the move survive," she said. After the scandal, Olympia left France, living in exile across Europe. Her name endured as a symbol of the dangerous allure of court life, where beauty and intelligence could elevate a woman to power or cast her into ruin. Joseph Smith was an American religious leader and founder of the Latter-day Saint movement. Born in Vermont to a farming family, he claimed in his youth to have received revelations from God, which became the basis of the Book of Mormon. Smith built the Mormon community, founded cities, and developed a religious doctrine that united thousands of followers. His charisma inspired both admiration and hostility, and his prophecies sparked endless debate. "I have seen, I have heard, and I know," he declared of his visions. Arrested in Illinois, he was killed by a mob, becoming a martyr and prophet for his church. His legacy continues to shape the beliefs and identity of millions worldwide. Adele Foucher was a French writer and memoirist, and the wife of Victor Hugo, and was born into a military family and developed an early interest in literature, and her memoirs and letters reveal personal sides of life with the great writer and formed a unique view of the era. In her memoirs, Victor Hugo appears as a genius and a man of passion and doubt. She wrote, "I saw him argue with fate and win, words filled with pride and love." Her frankness brought admiration and criticism. Contemporaries whispered about her boldness, and she only smiled. Even after parting with Hugo, Adele kept his memory alive, writing and recording impressions as if knowing her words would bridge past and future. Jan van Mieris was a Dutch painter of the Leiden school and the son of Frans van Mieris the Elder. He trained under his father and Karel de Moor, a pupil of Gerard Dow. Famous for his refined small-scale paintings, he portrayed mythological, biblical, and genre scenes. Though his life ended early in Rome, his works preserve the elegance and precision of the Dutch Golden Age. The son of a renowned master, Jan van Mieris inherited refined technique and attention to detail from his father. His paintings with transparent colors and gentle light froze quiet moments in time. He depicted ancient heroes and elegant scenes with jewel-like precision. Admired in his day, he died in Italy at the height of his powers. His few works remain prized examples of the Leiden school's elegance. Barbara Campanini was a famous Italian ballerina of the 18th century known as La Barberina. She became famous for her virtuoso technique and bold dance moves. Her career covered the largest stages of Europe, from Paris to Berlin. Campanini became a symbol of artistic freedom and grace, leaving a vivid mark in ballet history. Barbara's fate was as dramatic as her dance. People said she could win over the audience with one glance. In Berlin, she refused a lucrative contract and fled to her lover, angering Frederick the Great. This bold act strengthened her image as an independent woman. Though she longed for her homeland, the stage was her true home. La Barberina is remembered for her grace and her courage to be herself. Charles II d'Amboise was a French military leader and statesman, nephew of Marshal Louis II d'Amboise. He served at the court of King Louis XII, took part in the Italian wars, and commanded the army during the conquest of the Duchy of Milan. He died in Milan, leaving the reputation of a talented strategist and skilled administrator. His career was tied to the ambitions of the French crown in Italy. Contemporaries said he moved like lightning and never retreated. As governor of Milan, he worked to strengthen French rule, improve administration, and keep order. Letters reveal his longing for home and sense of duty. His death struck all eyes, pleased enemies, and he was remembered as one who joined sword and pen in service to his king. Isabella Clara of Austria was born to Archduke Leopold V and Claudia de' Medici. She spent her childhood at the Tyrolean court, raised under strict Catholic values. She was married to Duke Charles II of Mantua to strengthen the Austro-Italian alliance. As Duchess of Mantua, Isabella Clara tried to reconcile internal factions and ease the duchy's decline. Her husband, cruel and erratic, subjected her to humiliation and isolation. After his assassination in the palace, Isabella briefly ruled as regent for their son, but was soon accused of conspiracy and confined to a convent. There she spent nearly 30 years, in prayer, silence, and sorrow. She was called the Recluse of Mantua, a woman whose fate became a tragedy in life and a legend after death.